Hello, if you are looking for a slim Android tablet with dual camera, then you definitely want to hear about this one. The full disclosure, the seller provided me with this tablet so I can test it out, show you how it works and share my overall thoughts with you. Today I'm unboxing and reviewing this slim Android tablet with 10.1-inch display. It's running on Android 13, it has 8 GB RAM and 128 GB of storage, which also could be expandable to 1 TB. So let's check it out. So inside the box we can see the tablet itself. It also has a USB charger and a plug-in adapter, so you're ready to charge it right away. And also you have a manual, so everything you need is included. This tablet is perfect for everyday use, whether I'm reading, checking my emails, or even managing work tasks. The smooth Android 13 experience makes everything seamless. And when it's time to relax, I can enjoy my favorite shows on the 10.1-inch HD display with crisp visuals and great colors. One thing I love is how lightweight and portable this tablet is. It's just 7.8 millimeters thick and I can take it anywhere, whether I'm enjoying my coffee outside or catching up on the latest news. The dual-band Wi-Fi keeps me connected at all times. And here I want to show you the quality of the sound. It's also solid. This color is ultra durable. It's made from tough nylon webbing with a dark canvas weave. It's designed for dogs that are always on the move, whether it's hiking, daycare, or everyday adventures. My dog wears size large in a hunter orange color, but you can find different sizes and colors. Whether I'm watching movies, listening to music, or taking video calls, the audio is clear and impressive. And with just a tap, I can easily adjust the volume to suit my environment. And here you can see I'm taking pictures of my Doberman. The 13 megapixel rear camera captures great detail, and the 5 megapixel front camera is perfect for video calls. Whether it's taking pictures of my dog or chatting with my family, the quality of this tablet is impressive. Overall, this Android tablet is a fantastic device for entertainment, work, and staying connected. It's slim, fast, and it's packed with features, making it a great choice for anyone looking for an affordable yet powerful tablet. Whether for yourself or as a gift, this is definitely a solid option. I love it and I highly recommend to check it out. Thanks for watching.